Well, I'm up here on top of the ladder finishing up the last little bit of primer. I put a coat all the way around the rest of the room last night, but I didn't get up here on the ladder and finish this last little bit because I was getting a little shaky. 2 hours of drying time, top coat. I'm of two minds on the thing. I have to paint the ceiling, so I'm thinking paint the ceiling first and then do the walls, because if I do the ceiling first and I drip, I've got it on a wall I'm going to paint anyways. I've heard it both ways, tried it both ways. Ceiling first seems to work best. So that's an update on where we're at. This is Saturday morning. We're cruising along. Looks like it's going to be a good day.